is a video tutorial for the Tory Crochet Tote pattern. I am going to show you how to complete round 12. At the end of round 11, you should have 62 stitches, so be sure you have the correct stitch count before you begin round 12. And your stitch count will stay the same throughout the rest of the pattern. So at the end of each round, you should have 62 stitches. So for round 12, we begin with a chain 1, and I've already done that. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. When you go to join at the end of the round, you will skip over the chain 1 and you will make a slip stitch in the top of the first stitch to join. Okay, so let's get started. So I've already done the chain 1, and we're going to work a double crochet in the first stitch and then a front post double crochet in the next stitch, and you are just going to repeat this sequence all the way around. So double crochet, front post double crochet, front post double crochet. You just repeat that all the way around. Okay, so we're going to do a double crochet in the first stitch and a front post double crochet in the next stitch. And to complete a front post double crochet, you're going to yarn over. You're going to insert your hook from front to back to front around the post of that stitch, yarn over, pull through your work. You should have 3 loops on your hook at this point. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so it should look like that. You can see it kind of pops out to the front of the fabric. Okay, now we are going to work another double crochet in the next stitch. So that's this stitch right here. And then a front post double crochet in the next stitch, which will be this stitch right here. So yarn over, insert your hook from front to back to front around that post of the stitch, yarn over, pull through your work, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so it should look like this so far. So you can see the double crochets are kind of to the back, and the front post double crochet kind of wants to pop out to the front. Okay, let's keep going. So double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch, and that will be this stitch right here. You're going to go right around this post. So yarn over, insert your hook from front to back to front around the post of the stitch, yarn over, pull through your work. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so I am going to keep going and finish this round. So double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so it should look like this so far. Okay, I'm going to keep going, and then I'm going to show you how to join at the end of the round. Okay, so I'm getting to the end of the round here. Okay, so the last stitch will be a front post double crochet, and this is the last stitch here. Okay, so we're going to work around, sorry, yarn over, front post double crochet around that stitch. Okay, and then we are ready to join. We're going to slip stitch in the top of the first stitch, which is this stitch right here. That's your chain 1 right there. So we're going to skip over the chain 1, and you are going to slip stitch in the top of that first stitch to join. Okay, and your bag's going to start to curl at this point, and that's totally normal. Okay, so this is what it should look like so far.